Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're talking about smooth camera motion. Sometimes it's nice to have shaky footage, but other times it can make your footage look kind of sloppy. By having smooth footage, you can up the quality of your videos, giving them a professional look and feel. In this video, I'll show you 5 different methods to getting smooth footage. Using a gimbal or a Steadicam is going to give you the most flexibility, allowing you to move for long periods of time while ensuring you get the most stable shot possible. I personally use the G Crane 2. I think it's great for tracking shots and allows you to implement many different movements while being fairly simple to use. You'll have to make sure you set it up properly though, which could set you back around 2 to 5 minutes, which means it could leave you missing certain shots if you're not prepared. It's quite expensive, but if you're willing to pay for one, I'd highly recommend it. Sometimes it's easier or more fun to use something else. Oftentimes, I like to use a skateboard to add a little bit of sideways or forward movement. This is really easy to use, but you need to make sure the floor or surface you're filming on is smooth. In my opinion, these are great for close-ups of smaller items. I used this in my last video, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out too. But wait, after this video. Even if you don't have a gimbal or a skateboard and you find yourself with your camera, you can still get some smooth footage. Just make sure you increase your frame rate to allow you to get some slow motion footage. Slow motion footage will smooth out some camera shake. Also, one thing to keep in mind while you're filming is to try to bring the camera close to your body or place your eye on the viewfinder to increase stabilization. Also, you can add some speed ramps in post to create some cool effects. If you film some footage and for some reason it came out a little bit shaky, or you just wanted to film handheld, you can always try the built-in stabilizers most editing softwares have. I personally use Premiere, which has a great warp stabilizer, which you can easily put on through going to the effects and dragging it onto your clip. This function is amazing and has saved me so many times. The last method is to shoot static shots in 4K and use keyframes to digitally create camera movement. It's simpler than it sounds. All you have to do is take a static shot in 4K resolution, then drag it onto your timeline and keyframe in some movements. Be careful with this, as sometimes it can look unrealistic, but for the most part you're going to get a pretty dope looking shot. I hope you thought this video was helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite method was. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Alright, for this last method, I'm gonna hop in the back of the car. Alright, let's go.